Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Capricorn Earth sign for the month of October. This is monthly reading and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. Capricorn, the Star, the Fool, wow. Three of Swords. One person is heartbroken in this connection, definitely, and they want new beginning. And they're still hoping for this connection. You both still want new beginning with each other. For some, your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So definitely one person want a new beginning with the Fool is new beginning. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, definitely one person could be Aquarius also. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Capricorn, Nine of Cups, Two of Swords, Knight of Wands. Yeah. So one person in this connection at some crossroads, blindfolded. They don't know what decision they has to make. And Nine of Cups. This connection is their wish fulfillment. The Star and Nine of Cups. And one person, there is a lot of passion, but there is night energy. So night energy is not very committed. This person is not very committed who are in night energy, Knight of Wands, but there is passion. So let's see some more messages. Nine of Wands, yeah. Lot of fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Five of Cups, yeah. One person is very sad, and for those who are in separation, definitely their person is not happy. They're feeling very sad, but one person is like guarded up. They are holding back. This could be your person, Capricorn, or the sad person is you. Definitely your person at some crossroads. They have to make decision. Definitely I think they are making decision to come towards you, and they want to make a move towards you. It is coming, but it is slow. The energy could be vice versa depending upon your situation. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Capricorn, Death, Scorpio. Your person could be Four of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. Yeah, I think your person not expressing their feelings to you, but after the transformation they will. Definitely Ace of Wands, they want new beginning with you. After the transformation they will express their feelings to you. Scorpio, definitely your person undergo some transformation, and Ace of Wands, definitely there is a chance for new beginning between both of you. So let's pull some more cards from the universe. Ace of Swords, yes, communication, truth coming out. You both will communicate. And Four of Swords, yeah, one person in this connection thinking about the person and about the relation. Chariot and the World. Yes, definitely there is some movement in this connection. Some cycles are going to be end. I think the separation cycles which are going between both of you are going to be end. Ace of Swords, yeah, you both will communicate, but one person still they are taking rest and they are thinking about the other person a lot. But still there is some movement is going to be happen in this connection. Some cycles are going to be end. One more card. Yeah, Ace of Cups. Definitely you both love each other, because this card regarding connection, definitely both love each other. So if you are waiting for your person to come towards you, definitely after the transformation you will get communication from your person. And Ace of Wands, definitely they want new beginning. They are coming, but it is slow energy. Chariot is also slow moving, but still coming. Yeah, you will get clarity. Capricorn, you will get clarity from your person. And so this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.